Hello everyone. So today's module we are going to see the working principle of workstation of mammography control panel. So here in the image you can see clearly that the workstation is just present behind the mobile protective barrier, and this is the computer display. So this is the display here. So once we open the screen we get like this type of option. So the yellow one indicates that you can get the patient detail from the his or his, and the computer with the person indicates that you have to do it manually. So this is how the patient registration bar opens this. You have to mention the patient first name and last name. You have to mention the title Mr. or Mrs. Miss. Then you have to mention the group. You have to mention the ID, birth date, the gender criteria, age, weight, the referring physician name. All these things you have to mention. What type of studies you are going to do. Next, the most important is the study. So in the study you have to mention the mammography. You have to write the comment like CC, MLO. Patient positions also you have to create. Institution name, that is the hospital name. And once you do all these things, the exam option which you can see below will be opened automatically. So once we are completing it, the taskbar gets open window like this, and this is known as the application window. It consists of the menu bar, imaging area. This is the imaging area, the generator field. You can get the task card, control area, task, as well as the status bar. So these are the things you can see here. So you can see this is the area where you can see the task bar is showing you the examination. When you're performing the exams, you will be pressing on this area. If you want to do the post processing, you have to click the view window, and this get automatically on after we stop taking the exposure. This comes automatically. Next, if you want to give the printing, you have to click the filming option. So that is all about the task control bar. So in the exam control area, that is where we do the examination, once we register the patient, you can see the patient name, patient identity, that is 1 2 3 4 5, as well as the date of examination is mentioned. So all these are getting recorded in the view folder. Next thing is you have to select the procedure like bilateral, then positions RCC, LCC, MCC, like that. So once everything is ready, exposing factor, you can see the panel like this. After exposure, you can also get record about how much dose is present to the patient body. Once this thing is completed, automatically the post processing window will be opening, and that is our viewing window. So our viewing window has various type of reconstructions, like see, you can see the annotation angles, markers, magnifying, zooming, every options are there. So this is how we can select multiple panels. So all these things complete, we have completed the post processing. Next we will go to the printing option. So once our post processing is complete, we will be selecting the filming panel. So once we select the filming panel, you can select the layout. Once you want to give in single layout, or you want to give it in 4 cut in a single film. So this is how the monitor will show, as well as you can check the patient card identities, as well as the brightness, contrast, everything. So this is how we do the last final place, and we give to the print. After the filming is complete, entire process is complete, we do the option like close patient. Once we close it, we will see that these are the folders where each and every patient records are recorded. So this is how the workstation works in mammography control panel. Thank you all.